Hey, welcome back, guys. So we're building the third function, actually the second function. So this will be displaying our input. Mm, um, Cout. This will be displaying. Let me display and display the size of the string. Cout is a string. Cout. The size of your string is size of your string is strlen. There we go. So basically we're trying to get the size uh, of the str dot str. We need this guy right here. We need to show or display the size of this guy right here, or the length of that C string. Let me make it a little fancier. Bits. Bits. In the line. Now I'm gonna use a for loop to display for int I equals 0, I less than strlen of what? Of str dot str. There we go. So this is the size, and I increments. Okay, for loop starts, cout str dot str. Okay, I. Here we go. This will display, and this will show the size of or the length of the array, and this will display. We're done with this function. Let's go to the next one. This is a bool. Oh, let's go make it easier. Copy it. Control copy. Bool. Oops, what did I do? Instead of Control V, I went Control B. What did I do? Okay, two L's there. Okay. The bool function, basically this is checking if the string, the C string, is a palindrome or a non-palindrome. Let's declare two variables, first and last. The first, we'll set it to 0, and first equals 0, and last equals to strlen of our string. Oops, what happened? Okay, got it twice. String str. Oh, actually, I have to go through the str dot. There. Okay. That's the size right here. Str -1, because what? The reason -1, because we need, so this is the first element of the array. the zeroth element, which is the first, and we need the last element because cstring is basically hiding one element. That element is null terminator, so that's why we need to have -1 because we don't want to count that null terminator in our array. So that's why the -1 is for. And let's make a while loop. While first is less than last. Run this code for me. So what is the code? So basically this while loop will run until the first element of the array or cstring is less than the last element of the array or the cstring. If strlen str nope, not twice, str dot, let me see why it's not popping up there. Is less than or equal to 1. The reason I went with the f and the length is less than or equal to 1 because let's say if someone enters only one letter is a palindrome by itself because you can read it from left and right. If let's say someone enters M is basically read M from left and right as well. So that's why we're going with this. So if the length of if the length of the string is less than 1 or equal to 1, then that's palindrome by itself. So what we're going to do, return true there, and X RV else if str dot we're going to pass first, which is 0, right, is not equal to str dot last. Oops, str dot last. There we go. Then else if, so basically if there's only one letter, then return true. If the first letter and the last letter are not the same, then return false. Return false. Oops. Return false. Else return, let me first increments, it goes up, and last decrements. There. Return true. And this is the end of our return true as well. If all these conditions met, then return true. Let me check what are these. Use of undeclared. Oops, really? Huh, okay. That's why. Needs to be a comma. There, correct. is this? Implicit? Okay, whatever. I think we should be good. Let me check. Yeah, but this guy needs to get in here. There. Oh, actually, no. This guy needs it. Yeah. Let me see, what is this extra curly braces from? So this is for the while loop. This is for the function. Okay, we should be good. I think, guys, we did it. And let's run the program, see. Oh, what is going on here? Okay. There. What is this? Why undeclared? Add character. What is this? Add character, declare. Okay. I think this should only take one parameter. I don't know why I call it. Yeah, that should be only one parameter. Add character. No, actually it takes two. Okay. Let me run this. See what happens. Okay, yeah, it has some type of problem. Let me see, what is the problem. Okay, I think I got it. The character. No. The char. Yep. This is it. We got it, I think. Yeah. Let's run. Succeeded. Always great to have that. Let's see why it's not outputting. There it is. Alright. Enter a string. Let's enter Anna. The size of your string is 3 bits. Anna. The string is a palindrome. Here we go. So let's run it again. Let's try what's up. Here we go. The size of your string is 7 bits. We enter what's up, and not a palindrome. It is not, indeed. Let's run it again for race car, since it's a little longer. Race car. The size of your string is 7 bits. Race car. The string is a palindrome. Here we go, guys. We're done. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Hopefully this will help you out in your homework or whatever. Or oh, actually, let me show you that why this break is very important. Hold on, just for a minute. Let's play. I commented it out, so let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm gonna enter race car, right? Race car. You see this? It is only pushing that first letter of the character. So that's why it's very important to have this break. If we don't have this, then it's going to be a problem. There we go. We're going to run the same thing all over again. Race car. There. Voila. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If this tutorial helped you out, please subscribe to my channel or at least hit that like button. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.